Hello students, so today the question that is given to us is, with the help of an experiment, prove that the exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. So with then experiment, what you need to prove is like when we exchanging the gases, I can say it is the carbon dioxide which is going out. And in order to do that, what we can do is so this is our aim actually, like how we write the experiment is there are multiple points to it, and we need to take care of those points. So the first is what is our aim, why we are making the experiment, is to make sure that we see that exhalation of CO2 is something that we can see during the process of respiration. So what are the materials that we need for that? We need two glasses, we need a marker, we need a lime water, we need a cardboard covers, we need a sellotape and two straws. These are the requirements. And what is the procedure? What you need to do here is you need to take two glasses and mark them as A and B, and that is why you need marker. You need to pour some freshly prepared lime water in each glass, which is also a calcium carbonate solution. That is also known as lime water. And you need to cover each glass with a cardboard cover and then seal it with a sellotape. Make two holes in each cardboard, insert a straw in each hole. Then one of the two straws in each glass should dip in lime water and the other should be above lime water. Like one end should be inside and one end should be outside. And one is like dipped into the water and the other one is like at the top of the water. And in glass A, what you see is you're trying to suck out the air, and in glass B, you try to blow the air in. And if you try to do it 2 to 3 times and then observe the color of the lime water in the two glasses, there will be a difference. And what is the observation that you will see? It is that in the glass B, it will turns milky, but not in glass A. And why it is like that? As you can see in the glass A, you are trying to suck out the air. So whatever the air present inside, you are trying to sucking it out. That means you are not in what you can say exhaling, you are inhaling. But when you try to blow the air in, that means you are doing the exhalation. So whenever we what you can say remove the air, it is the CO2 that comes outside. And that is why like here you can see when the CO2 molecules entering with the lime water or reacting with the lime water, this is like a very common reaction that takes place, that whenever there is a reaction between the lime water and the carbon dioxide, it makes the lime water milky. And that is why in here you can see that in the glass B particularly, this will become milky. And this is how you can actually prove, or what you can say, this is our conclusion, that exhaled air contains CO2 that is produced during the respiration process. And also it contains more CO2 than the atmospheric air, and that is why you're able to see the effect as well. I hope this will help you. Thank you.